good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to be learning how to solve another linear equation. The question is solve 4x minus 7 equals to 13. Solution: how do we solve this? To solve this linear equation, you first of all write the equation, which is 4x minus 7 equals to 13. In this case now, you add both sides by 7, which is 4x equals to 13 plus 7 equals to 20, where we have our 4x equals to 20, and you now divide both sides by 4, making your x the subject of the formula, where our x equals to 20 divided by 4, and the final answer for x equals to 5. Thank you for watching. Please